Good morning. Today we woke up early and decided not to waste the day.
So I decided to take Julia up here and share her Trimble Park, which is in Tangerine, which is near Mount Dora, which is north of Orlando. So when I was here in Orlando in 2017, I'd often come to Trimble Park because this is a very easy park to get to. It has a free entrance. It's open until 6, also has camping, but I like the nature trails. It's along 2 lakes, and there's a particular point where you can go where the 2 lakes meet and watch the boats passing through. Also, it's just a great place to relax, unwind your mind, and enjoy the day. The best part was looking at the trees. They have like a little bridge that goes over the water. You see a lot of squirrels. Sometimes you see some snakes, alligators, and it was just a great place to go for the day.